Hey everyone, it's James with Freedom Rental Properties, and today I'm really excited to show you about one of our newest purchases, and I'm going to call this video series the 7K Duplex, because that's what we bought this thing for. We bought a $7,000 duplex. Now, I know everybody just immediately, jaws just hit the floor possibly, unless you're in Detroit maybe. Yeah, we did buy this property for that much, but hold your horses, you haven't seen it yet. This thing has a lot of hair on it and is likely going to cost a lot to fix up. This may have been a huge mistake. So basically I'm going to show you around the property and show you all the issues we're going to have to deal with. There's a couple reasons I did buy this property. And one of them is that my contractor is going to actually let us get really involved with this one as much as I possibly can. It's all about a learning process. This is going to take a lot of work, so I bought it because it needed literally everything, and I'm about ready to show you. So basically I'm coming in the front entrance now, and you can see here, you know, drywall doesn't look too bad, but oh, there's, yeah, no flooring whatsoever. Subfloor, not too great. You can see no plugs there, and you know, a lot of work around here. But also I'd like to show you down the hallway here, same deal. You know, oh yeah, and then there's work here. You know, there's problems you can see with subfloor. We're gonna have to patch those. A lot of drywall, taking it down, repatching it. Windows actually are okay. They look like they've been replaced somewhat recently. Also, the furnace, I don't know if you can see that, it's a little dark. But yeah, pretty much useless. So if we go in the second bedroom here, you know, looking a little better. Looks like done some work. Look, we got some foundation issues. My guys are pretty good at that kind of stuff, so that doesn't worry me quite as much, and I'll actually show you the part that worries me a little bit more than just that area right there. Got a little closet space there. As we come in here, obviously, more work. Here's the kitchen, and I'm gonna stand here in the corner, kind of give you an idea. This is the amount of space we got to work with. I know it's probably a little hard to see. You got your kitchen, cabinets, sink, all that stuff. That's gonna need some work. Obviously door frames, more work. Electrical panel, electrical does not work. So obviously a ton of work there. Hot water heater, laundry room, I don't know if you see that, it's pretty dark in there. I might try to come back and do one with a little better lighting whenever we get in here and rip out stuff, demo day and everything like that. But also bathroom, very dark, no light, pretty small. Oh, and look at that. It's the other unit. Yeah, you can actually walk from the bathroom in one unit to the bathroom in the other unit. Impressive. It's a Jack and Jill baths. They share baths. But anyway, I'm gonna come outside here. I'm gonna walk all the way back through the unit. I'm gonna come out the front. Alright, so now we're outside on one side, and I'm gonna show you here this front step area. You know, very worn away. I'd like a handrail. We're gonna need to put in some work there as well. And walking over to the other side, a little better, you know, still like a handrail. I'll actually walk down the front of the steps here. We're actually right on a main road. I'm gonna show you the front of the property. It's actually kind of cute, really, but that's it. So, yeah, one thing we do like about this property, it's in a pretty nice area of town. It's close to a historical district downtown. I don't know if you can see that there, but that's the downtown city. We're actually less than 2 minutes away from a university, and that's another reason I liked it. I wanted to get into student rentals. So it might not work out with the timing, the students moving in and everything, but maybe somewhere down the road, you know, this would be a great opportunity for student housing. Okay, we're inside the other side, the duplex now. You know, looking a little better, a little promising. Stove came with it, free. You know, we got carpet. Guys, I don't do carpet. I'm actually gonna show you the product that we use somewhere in a later video. I do like what's called luxury vinyl plank, which is kind of a wood look, and it's a vinyl flooring. I recommend it for rental properties. That's what we use. We don't do carpet. We have a pretty open pet policy for the most part, and pets just go through carpet like no get out. So anyway, I'm gonna keep showing you this kind of living space, living room, you know, dog crap that comes with it, free, no problem. Second bedroom, you know, looking a little better, a little less work. you know, still needs a lot of work and free art like that. Yeah. So, same thing, furnace, you know, needs pretty much junk. Gonna have to take that out. Same thing, second bedroom. See a lot of problems here. We got a floor that's come away from the window. But we're gonna try to shore that up though. Now here's the meat and potatoes of it though. You know, missing here. And here's the kitchen in the other one. Yes. I know that's a little dark probably, but a lot of work in here. Whole lot of work. You know, we're missing all the subfloor. I am not really sure what happened here. I think it's water getting in and freezing and breaking this. But you can see here, concrete subfloor, all been jackhammered up, jacked up. Actually see outside light coming in through there. And they actually do not have a door, and it does not lock. And just this big concrete slab that came out of here, it's just keeping people from coming in. So we're gonna have to work on that. We did get a fridge though. I do not know it works. We will find out. I would say highly not. Same thing here. Full kitchen demo, everything. And then hot water heaters. This is kind of your laundry room area. And if you can see that, electrical panel box, been very stripped down. These are actually 100 amp. And we're gonna try to upgrade that to 200. You know, 100's a little small nowadays, even for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. But I'm not sure if you can see that super well. It's kind of dark in here. But yeah, it's been totally stripped out. So here's all this junk we're gonna have to get rid of. So we're gonna go in here and kind of jump over this. And we're in the bathroom. And I know, super dark, but basically full demo gut. I mean, there's just nothing you can save here. So yeah, so that's what we're looking at, guys. You know, and this channel is very honest. You know, it's the real world, and I'm not gonna fluff it up for you. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I am excited about it because it actually has a lot of potential. We could cash flow pretty well at the end of the day, but it's gonna take a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of money to get it back to where it needs to be. But one of the things that when I first started doing this was I had a calling that I wanted to fix up properties, and I could see them the way that they should be and the potential they have inside. And I see a lot of potential with this, but it's gonna come with a lot of heartache and a lot of work. But my guys are ready, I'm ready. So stay tuned, subscribe, you know, check out the playlist, 7K, Duplex, and I'll be completely straightforward about it. May lose my tail on it, but you know, I figured it was worth the money. I wanted to give it a try. Long term, the area is absolutely great, and we're gonna check it out, see if we can turn it into student rental sometime down the road. I'll show you that if we do. It's probably gonna take about 8 weeks to get this going. Once we sign, we're doing what's called a construction loan. Basically, the bank tries to upfront a lot of the costs for the construction. You know, we do appraisal, things like that. Basically, try not to use my own money, but I might have to on this one just because, you know, day RV is just not there. And I know immediately everybody's going, no, why did you do that? But, you know, sometimes you gotta pay for your education. And this one, I'm definitely paying, and I'm gonna learn a lot out of it though. So basically that's it, guys. That's a tour of what it looks like right now for our 7K duplex. And everybody check us out, YouTube, Freedom Rental Properties, and hopefully more videos to come. See you guys.